Mumbai will have drive-in vaccination centers maybe as soon as within 24 hours. That is the deadline given by the city's civic body to its officials who were told to have it ready in each administrative zone. The civic body has decided to keep the blueprint ready even though the state, like many others, is struggling with limited supply of the vaccine. Drive-in vaccination centers will be set up in big open grounds such as the Andheri Sports Club ground, Cooperage Ground, Shivaji Stadium, Oval Maidan, Brabant Stadium, MIG Ground, MCA Ground, Reliance Geo Garden, or even the Wankhede Stadium, the Mumbai Municipal Corporation has said. Adequate and proper temporary shelter shall be provided for the vaccination area to accommodate the vaccination staff, arrangement for patients of AEFI, ambulance, etc., the civic body has said. Maharashtra got its first drive-in vaccination center this week at Dadar. The success of the project pushed the civic body to adopt for it for the country's financial capital. The national capital must get at least 700 tons of oxygen every day as requested by the Delhi government to meet the needs of city's COVID-19 patients, the Supreme Court told the centre today. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said the city has been getting roughly half the quantity of oxygen it has been officially allocated, while neighbouring BJP-ruled states like Uttar Pradesh and Haryana have been prioritized. Kejriwal also sought 700 metric tons of oxygen a day for Delhi, where COVID deaths continue to rise and hospitals keep sending out SOS for medical oxygen every few hours. If nothing is to be hidden, let it come before the nation how allocation and distribution is done transparently by the centre, the Supreme Court said. The centre continues to be in contempt for not supplying 700 tons of oxygen to Delhi, it said. The centre, meanwhile, in its defence said that Kejriwal government is using the institution of the Supreme Court to speak against the centre. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee today took a swipe at the centre over sending a team to look into violence in the state after the results of assembly election were announced last week. The Trinamool Congress, which won the election for a third term, and the BJP have accused each other as behind clashes reported from across the state. Banerjee is an allusion to frequent confrontations it often had with the centre in the last few years, asked the BJP-led centre to refrain from sending central teams over matters that may not exist. It's not even been 24 hours since the government took over and they are sending teams and ministers here, Banerjee said, who took charge as chief minister for a third time. Anyone who comes from outside, even by special flights, we want RT-PCR test and there will be no discrimination with anyone, she said. The Home Ministry has sent a 4-member team to assess the ground situation in Bengal. Reports from across the state and posts on social media have alleged Trinamool workers of attacking BJP workers and its supporters. Moderna CEO on Thursday said new coronavirus strains are likely to emerge and countries will be required to get booster shots of the 2-dose COVID-19 vaccine as the southern hemisphere heads towards winter months from June. New variants of concern continue to emerge around the world, and we believe that over the next 6 months, as the southern hemisphere enters the fall and winter, we could see more variants of concern emerge, CEO Stefan Bancel told CNBC. We believe booster shots will be needed as we believe the virus is not going away, he said. The comment comes a day after Moderna announced a third dose of either its current COVID-19 shot or an experimental new vaccine candidate increases immunity against variants of COVID-19 first found in Brazil and South Africa. Health officials in Russia have approved a single-dose version of the Sputnik V coronavirus vaccine, the developers of the shot said on Thursday. The Russian Direct Investment Fund, which helped finance the vaccine, said in a statement that Sputnik Light demonstrated 79.4% efficacy compared to 91.6% for the two-shot Sputnik V. The result, it said, were drawn from the data taken from 28 days after the injection was administered as part of Russia's mass vaccination program between 5 December 2020 and 15 April 2021. The Russian vaccine has been approved for use in over 60 countries. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus, we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.